Make a great choice today with the 2015 Grand Cherokee. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.